So hi friends, today we'll discuss about top commands in a Linux system. So basically the top commands used for monitor the system activity in a Linux operating system. So top command used to show the Linux process. It provides a dynamic real-time view of running systems. So it's similar to what we are using in a Windows while we are checking the task manager. The similar way we can see the command top command to show the summary of information of the system and the list of process or thread which are currently managed by the Linux kernels. So let's directly go to the CLI Windows and we'll see that how. So this is the Linux Ubuntu servers, and if you want to see the how the top commands is used, you can see we can use the top. See, so this is the information you can get, the information about the PID, okay, and CPU percentage. You can see the percentage CPU, the time, the memory, a lot of information is there. So CPU percentage is now this 0.8. It's very normal way. If there any zombie process, there's some zombie process which is not killing, it's keep on running in loop, so you can find it here. So apart from that, you can see the memory, how many system the memory is used right now, what would be the swap memory and all. So you can monitor each and everything here. So couple of commands utilization I will give you. So let's check the another command. So top -n and 10. So if you use this command, then this command will execute for 10 times, and after that it will if you can trace the queue, then it will automatically it will execute. So let's see, I just typed trace the queue and it was execute the process. If you wanted to more information about some specific user which is running the any process, so you can use this top -u. U means user, and you can use wiki. So wiki is the user who logged in. So you can see all the information about the wiki. The user, you can see here all the information is related to wikis. Now we can just clear this and we'll go to see some other commands. So let's see the commands in human format. So if you can use this command, you can see that what would be the specific uses and all. You can also see that in batch mode. So if you -ed, so this will be the batch mode. You can able to see the batch mode command. So another top you can use it in secure mode, that is top and S. So that is called in secure mode. Other way to see the command top C. Top C is nothing but the command start top with the last close state. So you can see this command. So in that way we can use the top command. So top command is a built-in utility in Linux and provide a real-time dynamic view of all the systems, all this running system status here. So it's very informative video. Sometimes you would have seen that some process is taking much time, then you can just write down the process and you can try to kill it. That will happen sometimes in production. So you just take this PID or something like that. You can find the PID and you can try to kill this. So find the PID. Sometimes the PID will take more than 100 percentage of CPU, so that process, that particular process is creating issues in server side. So you just note it down the PID and try to kill through the kill PID or something like that. Whatever the PID is there, you just kill it, the system will start running very faster. So yeah, that's all from today. Thank you.